To obtain real-time data on Webull, follow these simple steps. First, verify if real-time data is already enabled by opening the Webull app or desktop platform, navigating to Settings, and selecting Account Settings. Within the Market Data subscription section, check if the US market real-time data is active. Next, subscribe to the Advanced Data fields if Level 2 data or international market data is required. Browse the available data fields, such as NASDAQ Total View or the NYC Open Book, and click to subscribe to the desired data pack. Note that some data fields may be free for active traders or come with specific requirements. Finally, ensure the real-time data is displayed by opening the stock charts or quote page and checking the timestamp on the data. If the data is not live, or if there's a delay, such as a 15-minute delay, adjust the settings or subscription accordingly. By following these steps, you can easily access real-time data on Webull.